Want to make your photos more fun and lively? Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can add live effect using AI right in the Gallery app. This gives your pictures a cool animated look like they are moving or glowing. Here's how you do it. First, open Gallery app and then choose a photo. Now swipe up on the photo. Look for the live effect button. If you see it, tap it. Your phone will use AI to add a live effect to your photo, but sometimes the live effect button might not show up on every photo. This usually happens if the photo doesn't meet certain conditions, like if it's too old or doesn't have enough detail for the AI to work well. So if you don't see the button, try with a different photo, usually recent photos or portrait that work best. Review the result. If you are happy with it, you can tap Save Copy to save it to a new photo and keep the original one. Why use live effect? Because it makes your photos more interesting and fun to share with friends or on social media. It's like bringing your pictures to life with just one tap using the power of AI on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.